In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So if you're after great customer service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.